Today's modern society has been shaped and revolutionized by information, where the creation, distribution, consumption, and exploitation of digital information represent a major economic, political, and cultural activity. The modern technological breakthroughs of information and communication technologies, as well as the emergence of new bandwidth-hungry applications, have resulted in an unprecedented explosion of information. Modern data centers and core network infrastructures are under extreme pressure to accommodate these demands. The latest estimations of global networking published by Cisco show that by 2021, the total number of devices connected to IP networks will be 3 times as high as the global population. Assuming a compound annual growth rate of 24%, the overall IP traffic is expected to grow to 278 exabytes per month. That is 3.3 billions of terabytes per year. Video applications further exacerbate the problem by increasing the global internet traffic during busy hours at a much steeper growth rate compared to the average internet use. This skyrocketing demand for even more bandwidth and higher network capacities has forced equipment manufacturers and telecom operators into a race against time. So, what do we need to meet these challenges? We need new concepts to make networks more efficient and more dynamic while reducing overall power consumption and cost. We need Qameleon. Qameleon is an EU research and development ICT project funded by Horizon 2020 Framework Program, comprising an industry-driven consortium and leading research institutes, which targets to develop an end-to-end solution for next-generation optical networks. Qameleon will enable full automation, agility, and efficient networking based on transponders and ROADM concept as building blocks and powered by novel digital signal processing functionalities in combination with an overarching software-defined networking platform. Qameleon transponder concept exploits the synergy between high-resolution silicon-germanium bi-CMOS electronics and high-bandwidth indium phosphide HBT electronics technologies based on an analog bandwidth interleaving scheme to bridge the gap with the high electro-optic bandwidth of indium phosphide photonic components, scaling to 128 gigabaud operation and overall 1.5 terabit per second on a single carrier. Monolithically integrated lasers with line width below 100 kHz and high output power allow for long-reach coherent data transmission, employing novel modulation concepts like probabilistic-shaped M-QAM constellations. The Qameleon ROADM concept relies on the hybrid integration of indium phosphide photonic chips on a polymer electro-optic circuit board together with liquid crystal on silicon technology. Qameleon addresses the needs of operators for component miniaturization and nanosecond scale switching for low-latency demanding applications by delivering a set of beyond the state-of-the-art wavelength selective switches, but also their combination into an 8x24 transponder aggregator. Qameleon photonic components will be integrated into white box demonstrators within the SDN hierarchy and will be validated in scalable lab experiments and field trials. Qameleon will capitalize on key innovations and turn them into tangible market outcomes with high exploitation potential in order to place Europe at the forefront of photonics electronics integration research for telecom applications. So, take a step into the world of next-generation optical networking. Move into the future with Qameleon.